She's just being nice, Grant.
Bear. I told her phone and see it.
Oh, she's getting you again. Can you give her a kiss, Grant? Can you give her a kiss?
Mwah.
Can you give her one more?
Mwah. Hello. No. My shirt.
Sister, are you getting brother's shirt? Are you getting him?
No.
Hey. Hey. She's not getting you, Grant. She's not. Can you give her a kiss now? Can you give her a little face a kiss? Hey, Lydia. You giving her a book?
Baby is reading it.
The baby is reading it.
No. That toy.
Yeah.
That toy.
What is it? What kind of toy is it?
A dinosaur.
A dinosaur? Rawr. Is that dinosaur gonna get sister? No, don't get her. Don't get her.
I eat baby.
Hey, Grant, can you come give baby a kiss right here on her cheek? That wasn't her cheek. It's okay. She's not getting you, buddy. Here you go. One more. One more. Do you like those kisses? Do you like them? Is she making dinosaur noises?
What dinosaur say?
What does the dinosaur say?
Roar!
Roar! Lydia, can you roar? No, not yet.
What dinosaur say? Roar!
No. Does he say squeak, squeak, squeak?
No.
Squeak, squeak, squeak.
No.
No?
It says roar.
Does he say
roar.
roar?
Says roar.
Does the dinosaur say? Does he say cock-a-doodle-doo?
No.
Does he say ooh, ooh?
It says roar. It says roar.
Roar! Hey, Grant. Bye-bye, sister. Bye-bye.
Maybe it's raining on the.
It's okay. Bye-bye, Grant.
I'm not done. Bye bye.
You're not going bye-bye? Do you want Mommy to? Hey, Grant, where's Elliot? At preschool.
He's in down. He's in down.
Oh, you got my phone.